Adrian, you can pretend. You can get some too. You want to pretend? You want to put some lipstick on? Go ahead.
This shade of lipstick will look really pretty on you. And Rapunzel too.
That's your eye makeup. Yeah, oh, you already know.
Cute. Cute. You're so cute, Dad.
Are you videoing?
Okay, Dad.
Is she all done?
One second. Go over to bed and
Do you want me to help you? Do you want me to help do that?
yes.
Let's see. What's next?
Where do you want it?
Don't you think a bit of blush would look lovely on you?
Be gentle now. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing whatever Shelby wants.
Cute, cute.
I know.
Okay. Look at me. Oh, beautiful. Oh. Okay. What was I saying?
Let's see. What's next?
Okay, Dad. Give me your lips. Give me it. Here you go, Eggman. Look at me. Look at me, Eggman.
You can do some too. Put some on your lip. Go ahead.
Oh, beautiful.
That's enough. You don't have to put too much. Don't eat it.
Oh, let me see. Let me see, Eggman. Let me see. Oh,
There's more styling to be
beautiful.
done. Just pick another accessory.
Do you want to take the bread out?
Yeah.
You don't want that in there. Okay.
Better be careful. Better not pits. Oh, puts or not. Okay, puts or not. You only touch something, okay? Then don't ever move. And
Oh, here's some perfume. You want to pretend? This is pretend perfume. Want to spray some? Put some on yourself. Go ahead. It's pretend. Wow.
Give me.
Be gentle.
Let me see. Let me see. I'm not too salt. Give me.
Be gentle now. Be gentle. Be
Or a
careful.
little sparkle on your eyes?
Be gentle.
Eyeshadow is just the thing. Right, Rapunzel?
Oh, let me bless your face.
Gentle. Gentle.
I think Rapunzel could use a little color on her cheeks. Let's try it,
Okay.
shall we?
Good job. I think she's done, Shelby.
What?
I think it's enough. She looks beautiful.
You need bless your hair.
You're a very good sport, Adrian.
Very good, Adrian. You can get up, honey. Do you want to